Hello everybody, Ian Lozon, Master Home Inspector here with Timber Point Home Inspection. I'm in the Ecoline Windows and Doors showroom today. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're in the market for buying windows and doors, and you're not just watching me to see my beautiful face, but you're probably considering buying windows and doors. So we need to have a serious conversation, everybody, about doors. Obviously, they're really important in our house. You can't have a house without a door, okay? I know that's a really simple statement, but if you got a really shitty door, people are gonna, they're gonna make judgments about you. They're gonna walk up to your house and say, yeah, I like the house, but this door is kind of shitty, it's kind of trash. So we want good quality doors for our house. We want Canadian-made doors, and we want a door that's designed for our climate, which is, our climate is, to be blunt, it's whack. I mean, it's all over the place. We got cold, we got hot, we got kind of hot, we got kind of cold, we got really cold, we got really hot. So, and that can be in just a day, especially if you're in Calgary. You can go from -20 to +10 in a few hours. So if you haven't lived in Calgary, you haven't visited Calgary, you'll experience that one day. Don't come to Calgary just on a nice summer week. You got to come to Calgary when it's -25 and then up to 15 degrees the next day. That's something you got to experience. But our doors, our windows, everything is taking a massive beating from this type of weather. So it's got to be engineered, it's got to be designed for our climate. When we talk about Ecoline, they not only install the windows and doors, they also manufacture the doors and windows. So this is an Ecoline door here. It's just a simple door. There's nothing really too crazy about the actual cladding on the door itself. It's more just for a sample, but you can see it's got a metal cladding. It has some insulation inside the door. And then the more important part here is it's all PVC, it's all vinyl. It's not like our typical doors you see, which it's a wood frame, it's a wood door, which can look nice, but over time, obviously you get a lot of water damage, you get deterioration starting to happen. It's not gonna last forever. And you have a lot of energy efficiency related issues with it. Because we have a wood frame, it's being exposed to the elements. It's a door, it's outside. So it's expanding, it's contracting, and especially when it's contracting during a cold day, that wood, that frame, everything is kind of shrinking, and that's gonna let in more air. That's gonna make that whole space in your house a lot cooler, and it's causing your furnace to work harder. You're gonna notice that your bills are a little bit higher in the wintertime. So we need to make sure if we're replacing our windows in our house, we wanna have a look at our doors as well. I find doors are a lot more problematic than people actually think. They think it's just a door, it's got a lock and a handle and it's good enough. We need to look at the weather stripping and the quality of it. And we need to look at the threshold. We need to look at the actual frame. And those are really important parts. You don't really see these parts when you have an actual door installed in a house. But you can see here, it's all vinyl, it's all PVC. It's really good it's a really solid door. It's not gonna move anywhere. It's gonna be lasting forever. And because you have the vinyl PVC, it's not gonna get water damaged over time. And it's gonna essentially last longer than any of us will ever be around. So when you're buying doors specifically for your house, make sure you buy the right door that's made in Canada, and that's where Ecoline is there to help you out. They tick off all the boxes. If you're looking for, okay, I want a quality door, I want it to look nice, I want it to have windows in it, I don't want to have windows in it, I want it to have good hardware, I want it to be able to be safe and secure, I want it to be energy efficient. Check, 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 check. Ecoline does it all for you. And so consider that. If you're gonna replace your windows, get yourself a new door as well. So we talked about the actual door itself, how it's built, how it's manufactured, the things that you need to be watching for. We also need to talk about the installation. That's where we've seen that in a lot of different videos. We've seen a lot of different doors get installed. And every time they install those types of doors, they're installing it based on what the manufacturer is telling them. And it's very easy when it's Ecoline because they're the manufacturer. So there's always a good line of communication between the actual manufacturers, the project managers, and the installers. There's nothing that's gonna get confusing for these guys. And if they do have an issue with the door, if they're saying, okay, I have this specific opening, they can call the manufacturer and they say, here's the best way to install it based on what we've tested in labs, we've actually tested in the real world. So that's important. It's not just, if you get a company installing a door in your house and they've never installed that type of door because they've never seen it before. They just went into some hardware store or some different door manufacturer and picked it up. They might not actually know how the best way to install that door. So when we're dealing with Ecoline, they know the best way to install it. And if they don't install it the right way, they're gonna get in a lot of trouble because Ecoline is the one that's manufacturing it. So they'll know if it's installed properly or not. When we install doors, we install them essentially like windows. We do add some extra shims along the side to make sure that's gonna be nice and strong. But when we put in our spray foam insulation around the perimeter of the window, perimeter of the door, it's the same as the window. So that's really important. That prevents a lot of the air loss that we've seen that were installed in older doors. You have a lot of that bad insulation that's just barely even jammed into the opening, and it does nothing, and that's why you get a lot of air leaks. So I can guarantee you when you get an Ecoline door in your house, you'll not only notice that it looks fantastic, but you'll also notice that on a really cold day, when you walk past that door inside your house, you're gonna go, what the hell? It's not cold in this area anymore. It's just like the same temperature as the rest of the house. So keep that in mind. When you're looking at buying doors for your house, make sure they're built for the climate that you're living in, and consider Ecoline, because every time I want to talk about this kind of stuff, when I'm putting windows and doors in my house, it's Ecoline every time.